I know, I have this habit. I always try to buy something different, something nice, something affordable, and I wanna recommend those products to my subscribers and viewers. Okay, don't say it now. I know, you may be thinking, well, Han, this product looks familiar. Yeah, this product may look familiar to you, but this Cubot P80 is a very unique product. This one is one of the best affordable smartphones that I have used in 2023. I should say this one is the best affordable smartphone that I have ever used. But, well, in 2023, I have personally bought 5 different budget and affordable smartphones. None of those performed as good as this one. Today we are gonna talk about this Cubot P80. Okay, as I've been using this one for a while now, I have already unboxed it, but let me show you what other things I have got inside the box. This is P80 from Cubot. At the back, they have actually printed all the specifications. 6.583-inch FHD Plus display panel. There is a 48 megapixel rear camera, 24 megapixel front camera. Well, this Cubot P80 comes with MediaTek Helio P60, which is a very capable SoC. This one comes with a 5200 mAh battery and definitely has a Type-C port. But most importantly, this one is powered by Android 13. The phone was actually sitting over here. The phone comes with its own protective case, a TPU silicon protective case. I really like this. Cubot always offers a thank you card in many different languages, and inside the card there are some instructions and also all the necessary support information is given. Look at this. They have even provided an extra. Yeah, this is an extra screen protector. They have already applied a soft screen protector on the smartphone, but if you want something more rugged, then you can use the extra screen protector. Inside the box, you will also get a 18-watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a USB-C based earphone, and a very nice SIM ejector tool. Okay, here comes our Cubot P80. The design is really very attractive and I really like it, especially the color. This design is actually a two-tone color design. You can clearly see the rear panel and the frame aren't the same color. This two-tone color design makes it more elegant and posh. On the right, there is an independent power button, and yeah, the fingerprint sensor is also mounted on the right side but not into the power button. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill, primary microphone and USB-C port. The SIM tray is actually located on the left side and volume rockers are also on the left side. This SIM tray is a hybrid SIM tray, so we can use either 2 SIM cards at the same time or 1 SIM card along with a TF card. Oh yeah, as we can use a TF card, we can expand the storage with a TF card of 128 GB. Well, as I mentioned earlier, this Cubot P80 comes with a 6.58-inch FHD Plus panel. This is a IPS LCD panel, but I have never felt like this is a LCD panel. This display panel is really a very good one. This is comparable to any other budget OLED panels. I felt like this one is even better than budget OLED panels. Colors are very vibrant, white is very bright, black is truly dark, and even under heavy studio lighting, this one has offered very good brightness. I'm also surprised to see that this one comes with a very high 399 ppi pixel per inch density, and yeah, the resolution is a bit different than other smartphones. This one has a 1080 by 2408 resolution. On top of the display panel, there is a 2.5D curved glass screen which will protect the screen from any damage. One more time, as an entertainment device, I have enjoyed this smartphone. I have enjoyed watching movies, watching YouTube, and listening to music because this one comes with stereo speaker setup. Talking about the speakers, let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself how good is the performance of the stereo speaker setup. I don't know how to say. I'm truly surprised by the stereo speaker setup.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If you work taste sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight.
Well, This Cubot P80 comes with MediaTek Helio P60, which is a very capable SoC, and as this one comes with 8GB of RAM, moreover we can actually extend the RAM with another 8GB, which is actually a chunk of storage ROM. Anyway, 8GB of physical storage and 8GB of expanded storage. Together it will have 16GB of storage and offers a very good in-game experience. I should say buttery smooth in-game experience. I have enjoyed playing games on this Cubot P80, but if you're a heavy gamer, then definitely this one isn't for you. Among all the budget smartphones that's available on the market, Cubot P80 offers a very good, superb in-game experience. Actually, the reason behind this superb in-game experience is its display panel. Many other smartphones comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 SoC but doesn't have a very nice, amazing display panel like Cubot P80, and that makes a huge difference. Vibrant display panel and amazing in-game experience. Altogether, I should say this Cubot P80 offers the best in-game experience among all the budget smartphones or among all the smartphones which comes with a similar price tag. Well, before we wrap up, I need to talk about the battery. Even if this Cubot P80 comes with a 5200 mAh battery, which is on a bigger side these days, many other smartphones comes with 5000 or 5500 mAh batteries. I think Cubot has managed to optimize the performance without using too much battery, because I have managed to get whopping 12 hours of screen on time from this Cubot P80 on a very busy day. So yeah, this is one of the most energy efficient smartphone that I've ever used in this price segment. If you are worried about what type of charging speed you are gonna get, Cubot P80 comes with a 18-watt charger inside the box, and that charger actually doesn't take a long time to refill the tank of this Cubot P80. Cubot P80 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and that works very fine. No complaint, no issues. It's fast and pretty fluid. Well, talking about price tag, here comes the camera. Cubot P80 comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor, and this one performs beyond its price tag. I have tried to take some photos of my friends with this Cubot P80 side by side with a expensive, I should say, considering the price of this Cubot P80, that smartphone is a much expensive one. You check by yourself, you decide which one has performed better. I have tried to take the photos in a harsh indoor lighting condition to make things even worse, but wow, Cubot has actually performed well. Kudos to Cubot and kudos to this Cubot P80.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart.
Well, before we wrap up, there are two other things. Yeah, this one supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC. NFC payment option is available. This one also offers a very fast LTE speed. So all the parts are covered, and altogether this one is a very good compact smartphone. Well, if you're looking for a budget, fashionable smartphone, then I think Cubot P80 is a very good choice. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.